Adekule. Why did they call Adekule? Anyway, now welcome back to the next show. Our topic now, we'll not get topics today, but basically, we want to give gift every day from tomorrow, December 1, go reach December 25. We don't get different names. Jackson, Andrew from, we say one Wazobia Ice Pad, Francis Uche, Korede, Didon, Mohammed, plenty of them. So therefore, our phone numbers on top of TV. Call us, tell us, what thing you want, make we give you for Christmas. The guy will say he wants spend time with Easy B say, I want to take nice DP with him. Now, I wonder how the DP will be. Easy bit, the guy will come meet you. Make I can show you how the guy would do. The guy will say, let's take easy. Katim snap us. See me now, now me be the guy. I want to take picture with Easy Beat. Oh my God, Easy Beat. The guy will come raise one leg up. Katim, come on for camera, you are backing us. The guy will come raise one leg. Before anything happen, hand go, they go. Hand go, they go. You can't easy be like this. No, you never help us finish. Hey. On top Twitter, because John say, what in John want again? Okay, John, press jam ticket. Hey, Jesus. John, make I write your number first, though, before I lost him. Hey, John, get 2 numbers. What's John's phone number? 0903 73 251 or 081 262 639. Okay, on top Twitter. Lucky Dada say, I want an iPad or iPhone 6 Plus, please. Ronnie talk say, really loving your show. I will appreciate 2 press jam tickets for me and my hubby. Ronnie, you has it. Ronnie, tweet your phone number to us. From Idimu, good evening. Yeah. Hey, Idimu, when they hold me that time. Police hold me for Idimu that time. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
How is you?
I do.
What do you want us to give you for Christmas?
Now, bag of rice I want to.
Hey, David.
Yes, sir.
Bag of rice. Uncle Ben's or Abakaleke?
No, anyone will be available. I don't mind.
My brother, you will make heaven. Say amen.
Amen.
Say amen again.
Amen.
Which kind of heaven you want? You want duplex or bungalow?
Now, the original heaven now.
Now they talk. Now me hold the key. Don't worry. Thank you very much. I beg.
Okay.
Hello, good evening. David, where you call from? Hey. Hey, Beniza.
Hello. Yes.
Hey, babe.
Alpha.
Hey, baby.
I didn't find him.
Hey, what do you want?
I want Xbox.
Okay. Thank you.
My number call.
Don't worry, you go drop your phone number.
Oh, yeah.
Then go cut you from here now. You go drop your phone number for the other room. Just hope say they never cut you. They not cut you quick. Just drop your phone number there. Thank you. And then Ima, you have it already. Ima LJ. Ima LJ. Say she wants box of chocolate. Put your phone number. Ima LJ, please give us your phone number. And then which Ronnie, don't put her phone number. Ronnie, tickets 2. Give us your phone number. And then Nedu, your mansion for heaven done ready. Done already ready. Just give me not be me get the mansion. Not be me get them. I'm just the agent. As Blackface, they do agent for house now. I'm the agent for heaven. From Ikorodu, good evening.
Yeah, they do good evening.
How is you?
You are fine.
What do you want for Christmas? May we give you?
I want to greet some good people there first. Where you go since?
Me?
Yes.
I did now.
You've not been on the program, and we miss you so much for the program.
My brother, down. If I tell you where I go,
Katim said
now
you go
fuel
buy
I go. I dey queue for fuel. Now you know where I dey since.
We really enjoy. We are enjoying your program. So
Oh,
much.
thank you. We thank you. With three of us, we thank you. So, what do you want us to give you?
I want food.
Phone.
Yes.
Which one you use to call us now?
I borrowed this one. They're not a borrow for you.
My brother, if person will borrow phone, now two things. Either you borrow or you thief. You dey hide. The phone is a different.
My sister, what did you do her voice?
She use left hand to keep them. She don't know where she keep them.
Okay.
You know someone use left hand to keep something, you go to find them, you don't go know where you keep them.
Okay.
So now what happen be that?
I really they try there.
Thank you. Drop your phone number quick.
My hail is easy, I beg.
Easy.
Boss, I dey hear you, Baba. Good evening.
My brother, how you doing?
What I'm saying, you don't want to take a picture with
Now,
easy
keep
beats.
that spirit up. You're really trying.
Thank you, boss.
I'm with you.
What I'm saying, you don't want to take a picture with easy beat.
No, I know what you can do.
Hey.
If you see me, I find past easy beat.
Oh, yeah, goodness. Thank you, Akpan. Hello. Bolanle.
Hello.
Bolanle, fine lady. Bolanle, fine sissy. Ma fi mi si la o. Duro te mi ye. Fami na o. Bolanle, you know any kunle?
No.
No. No, not be no. What do you want?
No. I want iPad. What's the iPad?
Wazobia, all of them. So which one will come they use now?
Anyone more like use now.
No problem. Bolanle, thank you. Thank you. And then this guy we want follow you easy beat. I want big ram. Almost say I want big ram from you. Okay, Ronnie, don't write our phone number. Ronnie, you have your ticket. Your phone number is 0817 865. And then also I want Android. Abigail say loving your show. I would like some phone. I know they do free advert because now vex Abigail. Katim, now only you are one great. Sorry. This night, sorry. And easy beat. Love you guys. And then okay. Daniel Obaleye say Nedu, I want one Christmas hamper. Tank. From Ojodu. From Ojodu. Is Isika.
Oh, God, let's do.
Hey, how is you?
I'm fine.
Bebela, I talk. What do you want more give me for Christmas?
That phone, anyone. Even though that China, so high.
China phone, I thought, I'm bad pass.
I'm bad fast.
Oh yeah, now drop your phone number quick. Thank you.
Oh, God, let's do. Hello?
Okay, before we come out, success. You see, when they talk for this show, say some people not gonna make heaven. We know what thing will they talk. A perfect example is this guy called Success. He will not make heaven. My brother, I will personally make sure say you not make heaven. We're gonna wonder why are they talking. Isika thought say he want 1.5 kVA generator for a starter. Kickstarter generator. Like how we gonna do? He go start. So
you know wahala.
You know what wahala? You know what drag gen? You don't know so don't ban gen. I pass my neighbor. You can put 2 phone numbers. Not be 1, 2. Oh. Anyway, double toilet to all of una we don't call. Double toilet. In fact, those of una when they be say want ticket, we don't drop your phone number. Hey, you get one person want ticket, one never get your phone number. Hey.
Call tomorrow, go test tomorrow now.
Anyway, call us tomorrow. You first still call to talk what you want for Christmas. Jackson from Orule, Andrew, Francis Uche, Korede from Amuo Dolphin, Didon, Goat, Mohammed, 12 years old boy. Wait in Papa for local. Cadet, Madam Rose with rice. Chidemwa. Anyway, those of you when you say our phone numbers there with me for tickets. John, Praise Jam tickets. Please come and collect your ticket soon. And then Ronnie, you are going to collect. We'll go tell you the day we will come collect your ticket. But anyway, double toilet all of you now. As December they start tomorrow. Happy Christmas in advance. This Ember month. Tomorrow we will see get numbers of those when we say go enjoy. Una good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.